Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCAD 2021 Lesson 1. In this video, we are going to talk and practice basically on 4 different topics which are most necessary to be done before starting any task or tutorial in AutoCAD 2021 or any other version. So the topic number 1 is unit setup, topic 2 is drawing area extension, topic 3 is right click customization, topic 4 method of selection. For unit setup, open the AutoCAD. Here I have opened AutoCAD 2021. Below you can see the command prompt area. Type UN, enter. UN is the shortcut key for units. Please do remember this shortcut key which I used here. Drawing units. Length type decimal. Go to this drop down arrow. Here is architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. We generally use architectural and decimal for working in AutoCAD. For now I select here architectural, and the precision you can select any as per your requirement. For now I select the precision of 1/4 inch. And here in insertion scale you need to scale inserted content. Please select inches. This means the value we enter in AutoCAD is in inch. Okay. Now our unit is set up. Go to the topic number 2, drawing area extension. For this I'll draw a line. Take line command. Click here. For example, I'll draw a line of 30 feet. Enter. Again, enter. Now, 30 feet line. Look here. 30 feet line. It covers almost our drawing area because our drawing area is small. So to make the drawing area extension large, what we do? Select this, right click of mouse, copy selection, click here, specify the base point and go here. Okay, specify the displacement. Here I specify 1000 feet, enter. Again, enter. Now for zoom all, press Z, enter, A, enter. Okay, use the scroll button of mouse, you will get the line here. Okay, now you see that time same 30 feet line cover drawing space, and now due to our drawing area extension we can comfortably work in this. Okay, now we go to topic number 3, that is right click customization. To make the work efficient, we use the right click customization. For this, go to the file, that is AutoCAD icon here, click here, there is option, go to option. Okay, here it comes user, here you can see user preference, go to user preference, there is right click customization. Click here. Okay, as default it is selected this way. We check one by one. In default mode, if no objects are selected, right click means repeat last command, shortcut menu. Here we will select repeat last command. If no object are selected, right click means repeat last command. Edit mode, if one or more objects are selected, right click means repeat last command, shortcut menu. We will select here shortcut menu. And finally command mode, if a command is in progress, right click means enter. If command is in progress, right click means enter. Right click means it means right click of mouse. So select this, apply and close. Apply. Okay. I show you. For example, I'll draw one line, I'll draw one rough figure, I'll take line, draw any rough. If I have to go out from this command, what I have to do? Either enter, spacebar or escape. But due to right click customization, I can go out from command by right button of mouse. Okay, this makes easy. Again, if I select this line, okay, if I select this line and now I use the right click, it gives the menu, shortcut menu, so that what we have to do, either erase, move, copy, any we can do as per our requirement. Escape. Here no object are selected. That time right click means repeat the last command. Last what we used, line command. So again line command came. Okay, again we can use draw figure by using the same command. We don't have to go to the line or type the line command. Okay, this was the right click customization method. And topic number 4 is method of selection. There are basically two methods of selection. One is pick point method, another is window selection method. Pick point method is, for example, if I have to select this line, then just click in this line. This is pick point method. For example, another this line. Okay, this line. This is pick point method. Okay, and another window selection method is, one window selection method we can do is from right to left, another is from left to right. There is difference between these two window selection method. In right to left window selection method, even object is partially in that window, then object is selected. For example, this two line is partially selected, partially tossed by this window, even though it is selected. But in case of left to right selection method, full object should be under this window. Full object should be covered by this window. For example, here we can see, if I do like this, here we can see 1, this, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are tossed, but only this one line is fully covered by this window. So let's see what happened here. Only this line is selected, other partially tossed line is not selected. So we use this selection as per our requirement. Whenever it is required, use either windows right to left window selection or left to right window selection or pick point as per required. These objects are selected. If you have to deselect this one line, if you have to deselect this line, then what we have to do, press the shift and click in the line or click in the object which you have to deselect. Click here. Remember, do not click in this grip box. If you click, it is not deselected. For selecting all the objects in the drawing, press Ctrl A. All objects are selected, and if you have to delete, use delete. Hope you all like this video and this video is fruitful to all of you.